Right, today's video will be a walk around on my earliest VW Beetle. It was in 1964, so we'll take a look at that in a minute. Just took the cover off, see what it's like. The last video was the old rant, and glad I've bloody done that. Since then, it ain't been too bad. Still the odd message, and it's like it all around the world, isn't it? It's not just in the air code scene, classic car scene. It's everything, everywhere, which is crazy. Yeah, so thanks for that. Thanks for watching all your comments. No rant today, apart from I may probably rant about the rust. Big thanks to Dean that popped up today. He lives locally, but 30 mile away, Pensilver. Dean's missus and his young lad. Yeah, got some parts. All the parts I sell go towards the rent, and when you make a donation through like buymecoffee.com, that goes on parts, like for the gear. So thanks a lot for that. Thanks Dean for that in the past, and let's crack on with the walk around. Right, I've owned this one, gotta say, about 7 years. 4-inch narrow beam. He's on steelies, and he's been lowered 2 notches at the back. I did have him in the workshop, what, I'd say 2 years ago, ready for a full body off. Just want to empty him out, just see what I've got in there. See what's hiding in them containers. I'm sure it's just headlamps. But the patina, wow, cool. He was painted all green up until my mate owned it. But you can see original, I'd say that's original yellow. 1960s colours. Let me know in comments if it is. But this yellow was underneath the green, as you can see here. It's 1300 engine, but it's aged perfect. Look, I must have started taking the paint off because you've got all that filler. Look, quick look at the dash. So let me empty him out and have a better look inside. So just emptied out the 64. Here's the wings, all pre-67 panels. The front bonnet, gonna need a repair there on the corner. That side, yeah, little piece there. It did come with a spare deck lid, but that's a poke nose there. Look, that will stay. But I have got a deck lid upstairs, which I'll go all patina, and that's a registration there, 1964. We've got a rear apron, so I think it's missing at the minute. That's just a tinware. We've got the mirror from the passenger side. Yep. Right, let's take a look in these boxes, because I haven't yet. Can't remember what's in them. So, early wiper arms, seals, the visors, seat belts, a few nuts and bolts. That'll be inside. Blue one should be headlamps and light. Yeah. Wow. Freaking brand new. Wowee, sweet. All red lenses for the rears, all the clips. I have got the glass inside and the trim, side trim, I think. Right, it's under the bonnet. Is all good there. We're going to need a new boot floor and a new front apron, which I've got upstairs. Luckily, that's an early one, so we chop that off. But yeah, it's painted yellow. Sure, that's original. is all complete. I started to take off. Yep, you can see I've done a video back along with, you know, on all the bolts. Probably 1 or 2 heater channel bolts that are spinning. We need to cut off. Windscreen surround. Pretty good. Right, let's take a look at the inner wheel wells. That's going to need repair, but they'll be done once the new heater channels will be on. That's not a problem. Same here. So the front's good with the bumper irons. I also got the thin bumpers as well to go on, like the patina bug here. Look, I've got a pair inside. Quickly show you. Be the thinner ones there. Look, just like that. That's the bumpers back in the corner there with the heat. I've got 1 heater channel, and the floor pans will be upstairs. It's a 4-inch narrow beam, which use drums, front drums. Go along the body, all good. The roof started to take that paint off, look. So we'll get all that ground down. Right, the rear. Oh, I've just brought along adjustable to see if he's locked up, but he's a little 1300 engine. Got the rear apron. So obviously this will be coming out, the new clutch in. Let me grab that adjustable. Yeah, it's like natal green colour that they painted it. That looks cool there with the yellow showing. Let me take a look inside in a sec. Yeah, look, that's 66 bumpers there, look. So similar panels. Pop outs, it'd be nice to have pop outs, just like the 66. I'm gonna have to get a pair of them. See if he just turns. Yep. Left-handed. Yep, let's see if we can go full 360. Yep, I can hear compression. Wowee, happy days. Happy days. That is smooth, can't hear no nasty noises. Bingo. B-I-N-G-O. He's all good here. This is where they normally go. Bit of rust in there, but we've got drain hose there. Yes, we have. So where the water's been sitting in the past, just work that little bit out. Now, with the heater channels rusted, these doors normally drop, which they haven't. That's still open solid, look. I ain't tried this side. Watch him drop. Oh, look, these door handles. Bit stiff. Nope. Perfect. Before we check inside, let's just see these heater channels. You ready? There you have it. Not too bad. Bit of me doing. Got the driver's side. This is right hand drive. Yeah. God, it's not the worst. Not the blinking worst. There's the bottom of the floors, look. Check here, that's where they normally go. That's all good. Yeah, I remember taking out the body bolts. Yeah, they're all out. Don't know when I'll get at this, probably next year now. Yeah, rear body mounts all undone. Let's got the steelies on. So it'll be just the dome headlamps. Right, let's get inside. But it's a cool 1964 European bug. I was afraid to open these doors, not like Mrs. 66 there. One side you can, one side, yeah, the door just drops. So there's your dash. Got your fuel gauge on the dash. The gear stick, I took that off ready for the lift off. We got alloy foot pedal down there. But yeah, he's getting a bit crusty, look, the heater channel. Floor isn't too bad. See where the water's got in on that side, look. That's that gear stick, pretty cool. Moon eyes, coolio. The rear, absolutely rock solid. One little hole there. And yeah, just here. The grey door cards don't look original, do they? Are they or not? I'm not too sure. But I'll have door cards anyway. So that's got to be a horn button there, isn't it? Beep beep. Yeah, I own this one. It's got to be 7 year. And I nearly bought this one about 10 years ago. I was thinking last night, looking back at it, went and seen it. But the guy already offered it to his mate, which is fair enough. Then he come up for sale. Well, mate, oh, but 2 miles from the workshop, really. Said, am I interested in it? And I jumped at it, and here we are. It was inside a few years ago. I think me and Big Al tried to take the body off, or we undone everything. So I'll find the video, put a link up. That's him. My earliest beetle in the horde. Alright, covering back up before the rain comes. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See, I've got that buymeacoffee.com. Thanks for all your comments, as always. And yeah, happy days. Cheers.